up, guys? Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a market analysis of our favorite coins here. Basically, just going to be giving you guys a technical analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These are what I call, the big dogs, the coins that are going to have most of the market cap here, and probably within the next I'd say 2 to 3 years. But this is just my personal opinion, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Market cap currently at 324 billion. Today's volume 35 billion. Bitcoin dominance back up to 35.7. Bitcoin still down 10% for the day, still below 7,000. Ethereum down. Wow, Ethereum down below 700, down 10% as well. Ripple down 8%, almost down to below 70 cents. Bitcoin Cash down 12. Cardano down 3, sitting at 33 cents. Litecoin sitting at 124, down 8%. Lumen's down 9%, sitting at 33 cents. Neo down 10, EOS down 11, NEM down 2, IOTA down 9. Wow, Dash is wow. I'm gonna have to buy me some Dash, more Dash. Dash down 10%, Monero down 10, Tron down. Wow, Tron back below 3 cents there, down 14% for the day. List down 13, VeChain down 12, Qtum down almost 15, Zcash up 4. Wow, okay. This used to be Raiblocks, now called Nano, down almost 20%, just below $8. Steem down 10%, sitting at $3. For those of you that don't know, I am on Steem, so make sure you follow me on Steem if you don't already. Status up 13%, nice. Binance down 11, Verge down 6, Sia Coin down 10, Stratus down 13. Dang, wow, Stratus is still below $10. Yikes, it's below $7. Definitely have to buy some more Stratus as well. Walton down 13%, Qcoin shares down 16, 0x down 15. So as you guys can tell, a lot of these coins are still at a huge discount. Digibyte, wow, Digibyte below the 3 cents here, down 13% for the day. But really quick, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some price action here. So let's go ahead and look at the king of crypto here, Bitcoin to US dollar. This is on Coinbase, or this is the Coinbase price action, and the platform I'm using here is called TradingView. So as you can tell, this is the daily. Nice little channel we got here. If we zoom out a little bit, you could tell we were stuck. This price here gave us some trouble, in the past. This was from, when was this? October 12th all the way up to November 13th. Kind of consolidating here for a bit. Looks like we broke out, and then we came back down to test it, and then we continued towards the upside. So I'm kind of expecting the same thing here for Bitcoin. Kind of expecting this price to give it some trouble here. Could be bouncing off this. As you could tell, this is the bottom of our channel. Bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3. So this could be our major support, guys, for a couple of reasons. One, it is, we drew it as major support. And then if we zoom out a little bit, actually let's go back to the daily so you can see it a little bit more clearer. This is actually bouncing off one of our trend lines. This one started back in, July 14th, and then we bounced again September 14th, and we bounced once more here today, actually, February 6th. So, if this trend line holds, we could definitely be making another push towards the upside, possibly back up to 20,000. But let's go ahead and look at the hourly, see what the hourly shows us. So hourly showing us a nice weird. I don't like this double bottom, but it is a double bottom. However, I wouldn't decide to take any positions until we close above 7,150. Once we do close above 7,150, I would definitely be taking a buy. This is probably the lowest Bitcoin's ever going to be, guys. Remember, I'm just, not a financial advisor, just my personal opinion. However, if this price does decide to not hold, because this is what could possibly happen. Go ahead and take out my paintbrush. Could be seeing a bounce towards the upside, and then another breakdown, coming down to about 4,150, possibly even 375. However, I don't think this is going to happen. Last time we were at this price, we had a pretty good bounce. Kind of expecting the same thing here. Possibly going to be breaking above 7,150 and definitely continuing towards the upside. Remember, guys, Bitcoin's going to be around in the future for sure. Oops, my bad. It's technology. Cryptocurrencies are definitely going to be around. Don't believe the media saying, they're dead and they're gone. You know, it's just people not knowing what they're talking about. But Bitcoin definitely looks like it's found support, guys. I'd wait, you know, probably just wait for this maybe like 2 more days just to get a confirmation. But I'll definitely be adding a little bit to my portfolio. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum here, guys. Ethereum actually looking like it's starting to form some support here. Came all the way down to about 617, bounced once, came back up, and then we did it again, but this time we came all the way down to 550, and then we started going up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour here, see what it shows us. Zoom out a little bit. Last time we were at this price, guys, check it out. Look how we reacted. Shot up, came down. So kind of expecting the same thing here. Definitely expecting us to come back up to about 800, come back down to form support, and then continue towards the upside. However, Ethereum is definitely going to be following, I believe, or will be following Bitcoin. However, it is starting to break out of its, you know, its correlation with it. A lot of people are starting to say that Ethereum is going to be number one. I don't think that'll happen. Don't get me wrong, Ethereum is a great coin. However, I don't think that will happen. I believe more people will be interested in Bitcoin, keeping it at number one, than more people being interested or becoming interested in Ethereum and making that number one. The only other competitor that I think can be number one is Ripple, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So it definitely looks like we're forming support here at about 550. We bounced once, bounced twice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, see what the 1 hour shows us here. Nice little ugly double bottom. Don't really like that double bottom, but it is a double bottom. Definitely expecting price to come back up to 800 and then back down to form support here at 700 and then continuing towards the upside. But it definitely looks like most of these currencies, guys, have definitely found support or are forming support here. We're probably going to be consolidating here for the next couple days, maybe 2 to 3 days. But once we consolidate and we start to form some bullish structure, I will definitely make an updated video. And let's go ahead and look at Litecoin, one of my favorite coins. So check it out, guys. This is why I like the Litecoin. Its chart's just a lot cleaner. But this is last week. We came all the way down to about 102 and we bounced. And this is this week. Came back down to 102 and we bounced. This is the weekly still. Let's go ahead and look at the daily, see what the daily shows us. Daily showing us 1 bounce, 2 bounces here possibly. Zoom out a little bit, look at the 4 hour. See how much cleaner the Litecoin's chart is? It just looks a lot nicer, you know. Price action doesn't move as much. It looks like we got a nice little W forming. This is why I'm saying I believe the cryptocurrency market has found support. You know, I like to look at Litecoin. Litecoin is just one of the cleaner charts for me. You know, great technology behind the coin itself, but even now, you know, even its price action is cleaner. So, but we got a nice little double bottom. You know, nice looking W here forming. So I'm definitely looking to buy some Litecoin here at about 123. Definitely going to be returning back to its all-time highs, guys. These are the lowest these cryptocurrencies are going to be. Remember, cryptocurrencies are here for the future, my man. My ladies and my gentlemen, cryptocurrencies are here for the future. Keep that in your head. Don't panic sell because, you know, everyone else is. Let's go ahead and look at Ripple. This one, I'm telling you guys, I feel like this one's a sleeper. I didn't like Ripple before, trust me. Oh, it's the bank's coin. It's the bank's coin. I know what it is. I don't like it either. Trust me. But I believe this coin is going to be number one in the future, probably within the next 2 to 3 years, maybe even sooner. This is why. Ripple is one of the few coins that keeps announcing all these partnerships or on these partnerships, even though the cryptocurrency market is tanking. What other coin do you know is doing that? So that's how you know people are interested in the technology and not the coin itself. But let's go ahead and look at Ripple's price action. For those of you that were watching CNBC, I feel sorry for you that would listen to them and you bought here at about $2.43. I'm going to give you a much better price. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here. Last time we were at this price, as you could tell, we were consolidating here for a bit at about 68 to 70 cents. Nice little channel here, lower high, lower low, lower high. This would be my lower low. I don't know why I didn't label that. I'm sorry, lower high, lower high. Looks like our lower low is forming here. Let's go ahead and zoom out and look at the 4 hour. Bounce once, bounce twice. Respecting this channel very, very nicely. So, and for those of you that follow me on Steemit, I put on my Steemit article that I was looking for Ripple to come down to this red zone inside the blue one and then bounce off towards the upside. And it looks like, you know, it pretty much stayed pretty close or, you know, within the blue zone. And it looks like we're going to be bouncing towards the upside. Let's go ahead and look at the 1 hour here. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Ripple. Like in a couple months, maybe a year, you'll be like, damn, should have listened to that guy. Anyways, bottom one, bottom two, looking for a close above 70 cents before I add to my position. And this is definitely going to be returning back to its all-time highs here, guys, in 2018, which I believe were $3.50. Was it? Yeah, $3.52. You know, I believe this coin's easily going to be like a $5, $20 coin. We just got to be a little bit patient with this one. My 2018 target is $5, and then I'd say mid 2019, I'd probably put my second target here at about $10. And let's just kind of put that in the retrospective, guys. So check it out. Ripple's currently sitting at 69 cents, market cap 27 billion. If Ripple goes at $10, you know, we shot up, you know, 9+ times. So you multiply this by 9, and we're at, what is that? I'm bad at math, but that's 180 billion. You know, that puts us above Bitcoin. Granted, don't get me wrong, Bitcoin will be going up as well. But what I'm saying is Ripple doesn't have to go up as much in order for its market cap to double, whereas Bitcoin, you know, has to go up from almost 7,000 to 14,000 to see this go from 116 to about 250, 232. So, you know, and if people keep treating these cryptocurrencies as speculative investments, you know, obviously people are going to be targeting the cheaper coins. This is why I'm saying it's a lot easier for Ripple to become number one than for Bitcoin to stay number one. Plus, Ripple technology is just awesome. But this is just my personal opinion, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Something quick I want to show you. So the reason I'm also saying the cryptocurrency has found support. Look at all these buy orders, but these sell orders are starting. These weren't like this before. You know, it's starting to even out a little bit, so it's definitely looking like it's going to be going back and forth for a bit. But I forgot to show you guys that. But I need to keep this video short. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, give this video a thumbs up. If you're on Steam, make sure you follow me, upvote, and re-Steam. Comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.